Maroon Bells, USA. Located only about 10 miles from Aspen, Colorado, the Maroon Bells are two 14,000-foot peaks in the Elk Mountains that are reflected in crystal-clear Maroon Lake, snuggled in a glacial valley. They are the crown jewels of the Rocky Mountains and by far one of the most photographed scenes in the country. It is difficult to say when the timeless beauty of these two sentinels mirrored in the lake is more striking. In the summer, when every hiking trail takes you through fields of wildflowers. In the fall, when all Aspen trees dazzle with a rainbow of fall colors. Or in the winter, when snow and ice silence the world. The best photo opportunities are from one of the many hiking trails. Access by motor vehicles is limited. The lake is popular among fly fishermen, even if they don't catch anything. The beauty all around them is enough. The Maroon Bells are an increasingly popular destination for day and overnight visitors. Over 300,000 people visit the Bells every season. Due to the volume of people, the bus service runs every day from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. from mid-June through the first weekend in October. During these times, and with just a few exceptions, personal vehicle access is limited to those with handicap placards or disability license plates. The bus runs from Aspen Islands to Maroon Lake every 20 minutes. The Maroon Bells scenic area features several hiking trails ranging from short hikes near Maroon Lake to longer hikes into the Maroon Snowmass Wilderness. The U.S. Forest Service sign on the access trail refers to these mountains as the Deadly Bells and warns would-be climbers of down. sloping, loose, rotten and unstable rock that kills without warning. Unlike other mountains in the Rockies that are composed of granite and limestone, the Bells are composed of metamorphic sedimentary mudstone that has hardened into rock over millions of years. Mudstone is weak and fractures readily, giving rise to dangerously loose rock along almost any route. The mudstone is responsible for the Bells' distinctive maroon color. The Bells got their deadly name in 1965 when 8 people died in 5 separate accidents. Maroof Lake 9,580 occupied the basin that was sculpted by Ice Age glaciers and later dammed by landslide and rockfall debris from the steep slopes above the valley floor. Driving directions: from Aspen, take Highway 82 to the roundabout on the west edge of town. Choose the exit for Maroon Creek Road and keep going about 4.7 miles until you reach the Welcome Station. If you're coming from Glenwood Springs, take Highway 82 south toward Aspen until you reach the roundabout about 40 miles. Maroon Bells Hike. If you and drinking water. Dogs are welcome on the trails and are allowed on the RFDA bus from the Aspen Highlands to the Maroon Bells, but they must be kept on a leash. Maroof Lake Scenic Trail. This easy 1-mile round-trip trail starts at the parking area and follows the circumference of the lake. Keep an eye out for the active beaver pond. Maroof Creek Trail. Start at the outlet of Maroon Lake and travel along Maroon Creek to encounter alpine meadows, Aspen foreheads and rocky slopes. This 3.2-mile one-way trail is an excellent place to spot wildlife such as mule deer, red fox, bighorn sheep, porcupines and a variety of birds. Crater Lake Trail. This 3.6-mile round-trip trail rewards hikers with breathtaking vistas of bushy aspen woodlands and Crater Lake. Start at the Deadly Bells kiosk from Maroon Lake Trail and be prepared for a steep and rocky ascent, cooler temperatures, and spontaneous thunderstorms. Maroon Creek Road is closed to vehicular traffic in cold weather months, but you can cross-country ski, snowshoe or snowmobile to the area. Lazy 7 Branch offers the snowmobile tour of the snow-dusted Maroon Bells, which includes the opportunity to cruise miles of groomed trails amid wintry meadows and dense aspen groves.